Welcome to saker.co.za unboxing of the ATEM Mini. Hi, I'm Gerald Snyman, and in this video we are only going to unbox the Blackmagic ATEM Mini, which has been released fairly recently. It's only a few months old, and in this one we are only going to unbox the ATEM Mini, and in the cards above you will find links to the review and also the ATEM Mini in workflow, so that you can have an idea of how awesome this little device is. And I want to introduce our website, where you will find our contact information. You can email me, WhatsApp or phone me, and also you learn about our live streaming, video production and photography services, and also links to our YouTube channels. Alright, so here is the ATEM Mini in the box. Quick overview of the front. It mentions that it has its control software and that it is designed for these streaming services. Not specifically, but guaranteed. And then highlighting out Blackmagic's ATEM green screen keying capability, which is fantastic. Really good. And that's the control softwares for Windows and Mac, and some technical specifications of the ATEM Mini, which we're going to discuss in detail later, especially in the review. And this is the other side. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, here's it without the plastic outer, and let's see what's hiding inside. Alright, so we get welcomed with, let me turn it around like this. So we have the thank you for buying, getting started, the download instruction manual. We get all sorts of update software and all. Let's put it there. Download software installer. We're going to look at this later if necessary. And download DaVinci Resolve 16. Oh man, this is fantastic. Really good video editing software. And there's some details on how to get it. Right, and then this is obviously the charger or power supply with the various countries attachments to actually plug it in. Right, I'm in South Africa, I don't need that one, don't need this funny one, don't need this square one, but in South Africa we do use this one. Right, and now let's save this for the installer. Let's unbox properly. Then yes, strange formula like this. Feels different. And here it is. Oh man, this is going to simplify my life. And so yeah, alright, so as you can see, is not, well, don't expect to find something else in here. No, nothing else. Alright, so in the box we'll find the controller. It's actually kind of heavy. It's really heavy actually. For its size. Oh my, it's heavy. Alright, and then all the different kinds of attachments and the power supply, the manuals. So there you have it. We unboxed the ATEM Mini and I'm looking forward to start using that because I believe that it's going to simplify my video productions, and especially with the green screen keying. And Blackmagic is really good in green screen keying. I know that from my experience in the TV studio that I have. And because the software does not come in the box, we are going to make a separate video. Once again, in the cards above you will find links to all the other episodes in the series. But if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Comment if you have any questions about the device or any suggestions of what I should do on the channel. And in the next video you will find the software aspect which we're going to discuss, and then also the playlist of the whole series. Thank you for watching. Bye.